Is service better leisure service side, or is it just a side that is a complete waste of time? In this little review, I'm going to show you something that you definitely need to know about service better, but before spending any time joining it. So the first thing you need to know is it looks like service better looks like any other normal service side. You can join instead. You start earning cash today with online survey. You earn up to $300 per month in your spare time. I must say that this is not unrealistic. Some service sites make, like, the scam sites make claims about thousands of dollars with no work. This is definitely realistic, and it's also depending on the country you live in to make even more than this, depending on your effort. The country you live in, how much time you put in. So far so good. And then when you scroll down, you can see you can get rewards from Amazon and PayPal, and these are definitely also normal ways to get paid in the survey. So all this makes it look like a completely normal service. You join and you start taking survey and you get paid. That's how it works. However, that's not exactly how it works on Service Paso. So if you are not aware and you are not used to using base service sites, you might not spot this, but it actually doesn't offer any base survey on Service Paso itself. It is what is called a survey aggregator. So once you join, with actually not get access to survey on this side. So what you will get access to here is the first step is you choose the survey panels you join. So you join Service Paso to get a list of survey panels. You can then join again. So it's kind of like an extra unnecessary step in my opinion. And then you click continue, and then the next step is to check your emails where they have put their potential links so they get paid to those survey panels you choose, and then you click them and have to go through joining every single survey site again, which of course you usually have to join survey sites, but there is just no need to join this extra aggregator to just get a list. And that's what you get. You don't get a members area, you don't get any other good tips or tricks or anything like that. You just a superficial short list, and then you also start getting a lot of promotional mails. I get more or less every day new offers with great service sites that they promote to make money themselves, of course, but that's also good if you want to get some ideas, but it is just, in my opinion, unnecessary step, and that defense. However, I want to say that I have only seen like most of the sites I have seen there anyways are leisure service sites that you actually can get paid on. It is just, in my opinion, a complete waste of time because they don't provide any real valuable information, just a short list, and you have to sign up an extra time. That doesn't really make sense. So this is what you will actually get if you join Survey Spotter. You can in Survey join survey no matter where you live, but they also say themselves that it is survey site for the UK. So it doesn't really make sense to join if you don't live in the UK. In my opinion, it doesn't really make sense to join even if you live in the UK. The UK have so many great survey sites, so there is no need to join. The UK have so many great survey sites, so there is no need to join a site to get access to a short list of surveys and promotional mails. But in that sense, there is no really harm done, and you can always unsubscribe from the promotional mails if you don't want to receive them anymore. But now at least you know what you will get if you join survey, and then it is up to you to decide if it works it for you or not. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.